and gentlemen, now only for Kalawa, where people need to happy for best. More than clap hand for her. Emedion, are you married?
Yes.
You are married? Because if you were not married, I will ask you if you will marry me. You say?
I won't marry you.
Okay, now I have a wife, you have a husband. Can we marry half-half?
No.
Emedion, you use the heart of God. Emedion, go. I will send you my account number. Okay, come and tell them how you feel, Emedion. Come and tell the people how you feel. Encourage them, tell them how you feel. How many tickets did you buy? Just tell us your experience in 1 minute and where you are from.
I am Emedion Emmanuel Timothy from Agoibami under Ugeb local government, Cross River State. I am so excited. Last week Sunday they called me. So I encourage everybody to buy. If you have not gotten the ticket, please buy more. So you win. Maybe this night you may be one of us because I'm the third millionaire. Maybe one of us. Thank you so much.
Emedion, take my friend.